Patients often wonder what's the difference between Kybella and the laser-assisted weekend neck lift. Kybella is a medicine that is injected into the double chin area. So Kybella dissolves the fat in this area here. Kybella is performed as an office procedure that takes only 5 to 10 minutes to do. The laser-assisted weekend neck lift is a procedure that helps to contour the jowl, the jawline, the neck, and the chin. So whereas Kybella treats only the fat in this area, the laser-assisted weekend neck lift treats this whole area here, where it helps to tighten the skin, addressing skin laxity. It dissolves the fat with a laser in that region, and also tightens the underlying muscle, addressing muscle weakness. So whereas Kybella simply dissolves the fat in the double chin area, the laser-assisted weekend neck lift addresses skin laxity, muscle weakness, and contour through the jowl, jawline, neck, and chin. So it creates a more youthful, more contoured appearance to the jawline, neck, and chin. Kybella is a 5 to 10 minute office procedure. Laser-assisted weekend neck lift is a procedure that takes about 30 to 45 minutes to perform.